How's it going, everybody? This is Bobby with Thundermax Tech Support. Today we're going to be talking about heat management strategy, how the Thundermax manages it, and what that means for you and your bike. Stick around. All right, so engine heat management. As we know, these are air-cooled bikes for the most part. Some of them, yes, are air-cooled, and some of the newer ones are center-cooled. But for the majority of most of these bikes, and still even with the oil and water-cooled bikes, you rely on airflow to keep these bikes cool. Where you won't get airflow is in traffic. So in 2009, Harley Davidson released the EITMS. That stands for Engine Idle Temperature Management Systems. And what it essentially did was it shut down the rear cylinder when an idle, sitting at a stoplight and parking lot, stuff like that, to kind of reduce some of that heat. With the Thundermax ECM, we do not use the EITMS strategy. We do not allow that rear cylinder to be cut off or deactivated in those situations. So the way we manage heat, one way, and the first way, is by operating at a lower RPM. With a lower RPM, you're generating less heat. Another way that we manage heat is with our wideband O2 sensors. So with our wideband O2 sensors, in conjunction with the ECM, we have the ability to add fuel in those areas, and that additional fuel will help cool the cylinders, therefore keeping the rest of the engine cool. Another way we do this is with timing. With all the data points that we have available to us, we can shift into a different area of the timing versus temp, and reduce that timing. And with that, you're also reducing your engine heat. But in the end, just remember that these bikes are they're air-cooled bikes. Like I said, they do have some features with the oil cooling and the center-cooled and the twin-cooled, but still, for the majority, keep these things in the wind, keep them cooled. But when you are in situations where you're slow-moving traffic, idle, parking lot situations, that's how we here at Thundermax deal with engine heat management. If you have any questions, be sure to contact us at Thundermax Tech Support.